Can you hear the wind breezy sound? I have never seen a air cooler bigger than this. Now guys, this is the central market where I have come today. So this market is basically where you can get all the Malaysian arts and crafts materials and even from other parts of the world. So here I am today, so visit this market, so you can see. Now in this market, what I see that there are many lanes, so you got to find out which type of shop you want. Basically, it's art and craft related market. You see, there are a lot of statues, paintings, but there are clothing markets also in the upper floor. There are a lot of varieties actually. I would like to say that. Can you see this? This guy is making a very realistic picture. It's awesome. In fact, this is a shop. Whoever is placing the order, he or she is getting the real-time picture, the drawings. Guys, can you guess the name of this shop? It's Little Kashmir Handicrafts. So I found this shop while I visited today in Central Market, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So there are two shops, in fact, in this market. So in this shop, you can get all those handicraft materials as well as handlooms, the Kashmiri shawls, the dresses. So in fact, this is unique. I have never found this anywhere else in Malaysia. I would like all you guys to take out some time and visit this market, in fact, and have a look on this shop also. So friends, I found this restaurant quite interesting. So they are having a lot of snacks outside, lot of evening snacks you can have. Even they are having some dinner items also inside the restaurant. Actually here people take dinner quite a lot early. Let me check out the restaurant. You see all the dinner items. Actually it's a buffet. Guys, so this one is what we call in Hindi like mirchi pakoda. It's actually made of chilies and batter. And this one is a very famous South Indian dish, that is the vada. And I am having lots of, that coconut chutney, sambar and tomato chutneys. Guys, you see this restaurant, Sri Pandi Curry House. Actually this restaurant is located in Little India Brickfields, Kuala Lumpur. I would definitely tell that this restaurant is the one-stop destination for budget eating, quality and quantity. Definitely please come here and you will not regret. Please remember Sri Pandi Curry House. Actually it's just opposite of our modern store. Guys, this place is Chowkit, in almost near Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur. So this place is actually famous for all the street foods. You can see there are a lot of chairs. Although the chairs are empty, it's empty because the time has not yet started. It normally starts in the evening time at around 7 or 7:30. So you see there are a lot of shops, lot of restaurants. You can have your food inside also, but people normally prefer to sit outside.